What financial truths must Muslims reveal before marriage? Imagine stepping into a marriage with complete honesty about your financial life. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but it lays the foundation for trust and fairness. Before tying the knot, Muslims should openly share key financial details with their future spouse. This aligns with Islamic principles of honesty and fairness, helping both partners build a strong, spiritually sound relationship. Knowing each other's financial situation helps prevent misunderstandings and disputes later on. First, it's important to disclose your current financial status. This includes any assets you own like savings accounts, property, investments, or business interests. If you have debts such as student loans, credit card balances, or personal loans, these should be shared openly. Also, tell your partner about your sources of income, whether from work, inheritance, or other means. Being transparent about your financial situation helps both of you understand what you're starting with. Next, discuss expectations about financial contributions. Are you willing and able to contribute to household expenses? Remember, Islamic teachings generally place the primary financial responsibility on the husband, but it's good to clarify your ability and willingness to support the family. If you plan to keep your finances separate or have specific plans for independence, share these too. Clear expectations prevent confusion and set realistic goals for your partnership. Another key point is the Mahr, or dowry. This is a mandatory gift from the husband to the wife in Islamic marriage. You should agree on the amount or terms of the Mahr beforehand. It can be paid immediately or deferred to a later time, and its value can vary based on cultural norms and financial means. Understanding the Mahr's significance helps both of you respect the marriage, contract's spiritual and legal aspects. It's also essential to understand Islamic rights and obligations related to finances. The husband must provide for the wife's basic needs, including food, clothing, and shelter. The wife has rights to maintenance and support during marriage and in case of divorce. Knowing these rights helps you feel secure and prepared for different scenarios. If you have any prenuptial agreements or specific conditions in your marriage contract, these should be disclosed. Make sure both of you have had independent advice and that no one is pressured into signing. This keeps the process fair and transparent. Discuss inheritance and estate planning as well. If you live in a country where civil laws differ from Islamic inheritance laws, it's wise to clarify how assets will be managed or divided in case of death or divorce. This helps prevent future conflicts and ensures your wishes are respected. Finally, honesty about finances helps avoid gharar, which means excessive uncertainty or deception in contracts. Full disclosure ensures your marriage contract is valid and blessed. Both partners should be truthful and avoid hiding financial facts that could lead to mistrust or disputes later on. Preparing for marriage involves open conversations about money. Talk respectfully with your future spouse and their family about finances early on. Seek knowledge about Islamic financial rights and responsibilities. Consulting knowledgeable scholars or counselors can help you draft fair agreements. Remember, honesty about your financial situation reflects your strong Muslim identity and commitment to a halal relationship. When you reveal these truths, you build a marriage based on trust, transparency, and Islamic values, supporting a happy and spiritually fulfilling life together.